Morning, you can see the cloud cover out this morning looking out east, so a lot of moisture again over the area, and we're going to be looking at more shower and thunderstorm activity tomorrow afternoon, and we'll probably see a little bit more in the metro area than what we saw yesterday. Right now in Albuquerque, 65 degrees. Look at the relative humidity, 73%, so doing nice humidity wise, and you'll notice it feeling a little bit more humid out there and even cooler starting off in the mid 60s. Winds right now the southwest at 3 miles per hour, so the winds are fairly light this morning. Rain-free in the metro, but we do have a few showers to talk about around the state this morning. First out east, showers really winding down now over in the Clovis area, all pushing over into Texas now. We have a spot shower just to the north of Tucumcari, and that's even starting to fizzle out. Down in the southern half of the state, we have more showers to talk about north of Silver City, moving into the Gila area, light to occasionally moderate rain there, pushing mainly to the north. And then also coming out of Las Cruces, this is headed north up I-25, and if this holds together over the next few hours, could move into Socorro or perhaps Los Lunas, but it's going to take a while to get there and likely starting to diminish before it even does move that way. But still, we'll keep the chance for a few isolated showers around the morning. Our big event's going to be this afternoon as more showers and thunderstorms continue to develop central and west, and today we'll see more widespread activity across the central mountain chain. High pressure to the east is going to continue to bring in all of that moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, so that means a good storm crop for us for this afternoon. Deep moisture flow results in widespread rainfall, and we could be looking at heavy rain, and that's why we have the flash flooding potential in those burn scar areas. So up in the northern mountains of Gila and even over in the Sacramentos, if we get anywhere from 3/10 of an inch of rain to a 1/2 inch of rain in 30 minutes or less, there is the potential for that, we could be looking at devastating flooding. So something we're going to keep a very close eye on. Once we get through today, we will start to see some of the moisture make its way to the east. So we're still going to keep the chance for showers and storms of the forecast, but they are going to be winding down over the next few days. And then by the end of the week, high pressure shifts right back over us, and that's really going to shut down the moisture and the shower activity. But the good news is for today, we will see some of that moisture work its way into the eastern half of the state, and so you'll get your chance at a few thunderstorms this afternoon. Your forecast now for the northwest: increasing clouds and temperatures much better. 80 in Durango, 87 in Farmington, 81 in Grants, low 80s for Gallup. So definitely getting a break from the heat. We'll be in the mid 80s and low 90s tomorrow, and then the moisture moves out and the temperatures creep back up again, back into the 80s and low 90s. South and west, partly cloudy skies today with a few afternoon thunderstorms. Temperature-wise, 80s for Silver City, low 90s just about everywhere else. We'll see a few more thunderstorms in the afternoons on Wednesday and Thursday, and then we start to really dry things out and temps warm back up again for the end of the week. South and east, partly sunny, spot thunderstorm possible with temperatures in the low to mid 90s this afternoon. Here's that 7-day forecast for Roswell. You'll finally get that chance for rain today. It sticks around for the next couple of days, and it's back to the dry heat going into the weekend. North and east, partly cloudy, a few thunderstorms this afternoon with temperatures mainly in the middle and upper 90s for most of you. Las Vegas, a little cooler there. Mid 80s today and tomorrow, and then back into the upper 80s this weekend with those rain chances starting to wind down. Northern mountains, clouds and storms. Flooding is definitely going to be a concern today, so keep that in mind. Temperature-wise for Santa Fe, mid 80s today, back into the upper 80s after today, with storm chances diminishing after tomorrow. East Mountains clouding up again with more showers and storms developing this afternoon, and temperatures in the 80s, and feeling nicer today in the metro, really getting a break from that heat. Late day thunderstorms though, and we'll continue with the scattered thunderstorm activity tomorrow afternoon, and then we start to see the storm chances wind down going into the weekend.
It was